Introducing Vida Sana from Princess House. Living a healthier life has never been easier or tastier. With just the turn of a valve, healthy cooking is at your fingertips. Steam seal lids keep your food's natural moisture inside the pan, meaning more nutrients in every bite you take. 5-ply construction assures even heating over the entire cooking surface. Did you know traditional cooking methods can dramatically reduce the nutrients in your food? But with Vida Sana, you retain more of the nutrition your family needs. Plus, foods cook faster and at lower temperatures with very little water, saving you time and money. Master cooking meat and fish with no added fats, oil, or butter. Imagine the calories you'll save. Bring out the very best of your favorite foods. Retain more juices, color, flavor, because nutritious and delicious belong on the same plate. Let your inner chef shine with healthy meals the whole family will love. Done fast, done easy, done deliciously. Vida Sana from Princess House, for your happy, healthy home.